dividing a whole number by a fraction. When you're asked to divide a whole number by a fraction, here are some steps that when followed accurately, you would get your answer correctly. First, you write the whole number as a fraction. And the way you do this is just to write the whole number divided by 1. Now the next thing you do is you change the division sign to the multiplication sign. Now when you do this, it brings an effect. And the effect of this is that you have to flip the fraction. So then you flip the fraction. So at this point, you would have two fractions multiplying each other. And then the next step is to multiply the numerators and denominators. And then finally, you simplify your answer. When you follow these steps accurately, you can't miss it. So let's take an example where we practice these steps. Example, simplify 8 divided by 16 over 21. Now let's do this. Solution. First, we'll write the whole number as a fraction. So we would have 8 over 1. Now the next step is to change the division sign to the multiplication sign. So we would have multiplied instead of divide. And then we flip the fraction. So this fraction will be flipped and then we'll have 21 over 16. Now the next step is to multiply the numerators and denominators. So for the numerators we have 8 multiplied by 21, and for the denominator we have 1 multiplied by 16. Now when we multiply for the numerator, we would have, now this is 21 multiplied by 8. 8 times 1 gives us 8, and then 8 times 2 gives us 16. So we have 168. And then 1 times 16 gives us 16. So our answer there is 168 over 16. The next thing is to simplify our answer. We see here that we have an improper fraction, so we have to bring it to mixed form. So how many times does 16 go in 168? We know that 16 times 10 is 160, so it will go 10 times. And 168 minus 160 will give us a remainder of 8. So we have 8 over 16. Now, when you have a mixed fraction like this, take care to ensure that the fraction part is in its lowest term. So here we have 8 over 16, which is not the lowest term for this fraction. So we'll write this, and then we'll have 10 whole number. So 8 can go. 8 here 1, 8 here 2, giving us 10 whole number 1 over 2. And that is how it is done. Thank you.